All right. Hi. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. For those of you just finding me, my name is Jean Collins and I do health, wellness, and chemical-free living. And today we're going to talk on Monday Maintenance about gifting. Since it is the holiday season, it's December 1st, 2020. And this holiday is looking a little different depending on where you're at and everything that's happening. Like we all know everything that's happening, right? So I have been promoting and telling a lot of my members and my people that follow me, give the gift of health and wellness this holiday season. We all need to be supporting our immune systems, and it's just such a powerful thing to be doing this year. So a few different ideas with knowing your ingredients. For example, one of the product ingredients that I avoid is if something has the word fragrance on it, then I don't buy it, because that word fragrance is the proprietary blend and the company can hide whatever it wants in there. Also, another one is sodium lauryl sulfate. There was a company that we looked into and we asked, or once we realized what sodium lauryl sulfate was, and we actually called up the company, and I think a few other people did, like thousands or millions of people, they started to put that sodium lauryl sulfate was derived from plants. That was still kind of like a red flag for me. That's because sodium lauryl sulfate is a part of engine degreaser or gas, and technically gas is natural. It does come from the earth, but it's not necessarily good for us, right? There are some natural things and even plants that aren't good for us. Now, the essential oils that I use are all amazing and support the body and are just beautiful. So a few different things that you can do. You can do DIYs. So you can make your own bath salt. There's so many great recipes. You can make your own room spray or perfume spray. You can make your own roller ball. This is a gift that I'm giving someone. You can also do like a lip balm. This is a lip balm base that Young Living had a few years ago with a DIY. If you have any friends that are like clean freak friends and they love to clean, you can make some Thieves. You can make some Thieves scrub with baking soda. And then all you would do, and this is probably about 4 tablespoons, so you would put 2 capfuls of Thieves household cleaner. And that's really all you would do. And mix it up, stir it up, and this is a great scrub that someone can use on their bathroom sink. They can use it on the tub. They can use it in their kitchen sink or on the stove top. The baking soda acts as a grit, and then Thieves Straight is just amazing to get anything greasy off, for sure. So that's another idea. The other thing that, especially with everything that's happening in 2020, I have suggested to people, get your Ningxia essential rewards, or if it's the essential rewards, it's actually I think that's the wrong. Looking at the price, it might be the wrong price, but either way, so the essential rewards comes with 4 bottles and one individual one individual box of 30 count. So that is like a month's supply. You can give that to someone. You can 2 bottles is roughly a month's supply. That's actually a little bit more than a month's supply, so you can give that. You can add shot glasses, and it's just a really great way to give the gift of health and wellness, because Ningxia is amazing. You guys have probably heard, being on my channel and my subscribers, it's great just for supporting the immune system and overall helping the body in general. So the other thing is, you could take the Thieves Premium Starter Kit on your essential rewards, and that is 11 items. And the essential rewards starter, or the essential rewards kit, is $123.25. Now, individually, those items are going to be different. Like a 15 ml bottle, this is not Thieves, but if it was Thieves, this is lavender, but if it was Thieves, would be about 40 bucks. But if, again, what I did is I took the 123.25 and I divided it by 11, which is $11.20 per item. So you could gift 1 item each, or you could keep the things that you want. Maybe you know, even though you only paid $11.25, you know, or $11.20, you know that this, if this was Thieves, this bottle of Thieves would be $40. So you might be like, I don't know, whatever it is, who knows? Or maybe you'll look at certain things and be like, oh, okay, I can connect this with this person, right? The beauty of gifting. But I do think it's really important to gift things that are going to be useful and also healthy. And the world of Young Living is just so amazing because of our beautiful seed to steel process, and a lot of people ask what that is. There's a whole book on it, and we have over 14 farms, and the information below has all, you can go to seedtosteel.com, which there's a link below, and you can look more at the farms and where they're at. They're throughout the world, which is amazing. So I hope this has helped give you guys a few different ideas. I just kind of did an encompassing thing of healthy holiday ideas, and I do have events coming up, so feel free to reach out to hear more about those events, and I would love to just chat with you to give you some more holiday ideas. So thank you guys so much. Have a beautiful evening or day wherever you're tuning in from, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.